gorgeous, welcome back into the channel. So today I'm working with this unit from Dola hair. This is an hairband wig. It came with so many goodies. You can see there are so many. It came with a comb brush and a hair brush, wig stand, a cap wig, and that is the wig. Like I always say, you can never go wrong with a hairband wig. Every woman needs a hairband wig because they are so gorgeous, very, very easy. You don't need any installation. You just snatch them on and you're good to go. It came with a band, you can see around the wig, and that is the coils. You can see the coils, they are so gorgeous. I like the length of this unit, is not too long. And the band is round hip. Came with some combs in front and back, an adjustable strap. You can see that the band is round, go round the wig. I'm going to leave the link of this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. So that is how I snatched my baby hairs. You guys know my edges are damaged, but I use a trick on this. If you guys are interested to know what I did, let me know on the comment section. I will reveal my secrets. Okay, so I just snatched the wig on, and you can see the band. In case if it is your first time seeing this kind of wig, is a hairband wig. It's a wig that comes with a band around it, so it's easy. You don't need any installation. Even if you don't slay your baby hairs, you can just snatch this wig on and you're good to go. So you see, I just secure the wig with the band and hook those combs, attach them to my hair to make sure it's stable on my hair. So that is the hair. I'm sorry for the lighting. I don't know what is happening to my lighting these days. I don't know if it's my camera or is my lighting. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm trying to improve on that. I'm sorry for the lighting of this video. So that is the hair. One thing I like, you can style this hair with the band and you can style it without the band. So you're going to see in this video how I style this hair in so many ways, and you're going to like it. So I'm going to leave the link to this hair on the description box, so if you are interested, don't hesitate to check the description box, and the direct link to this wig will be on the description box. So right now I want to style it with the band for you guys to see. The street lights lead you all alone. Like I said, you can never go wrong with a hairband wig. Every woman needs a hairband wig. Don't let the street lights hit you. Can I be your... If you are a nursing mom, if you are a working class lady, this is just something you need to snatch on, and you are good to go. Seven more and another one, and another one. Finding you was the one I loved. 7 wonders all in one. Please gorgeous, if it's your first time here, if you haven't subscribed, don't hesitate to hit on that subscribe button. Join the gorgeous family. Thank you so much, and if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? I appreciate. I be okay too. how you can style this wig in so many ways, with or without the band.
If a paper crane can fly, then forever doesn't feel that far. So far, so far. If a paper crane can fly.
The hair is so gorgeous. There was nothing like shedding. The coils are so gorgeous. When you apply a cream on it, it takes the hair to another level. One thing I like, you can wear the hair without applying any cream on it, and if you decide to apply to it, better as well. So that is it, guys. Watch to the end, and please don't hesitate to subscribe, join the gorgeous family, and don't forget, I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. If you're interested, you check that out. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next one, and I think there's a discount code as well that I'm going to leave on the description box. Don't hesitate to check the description box, because I'm going to leave the discount code on the description box.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your
Alright guys, I will see you guys very soon. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
Looking for the next best thing, do it on your own.